wanted to let you know that my teeth fell out, but it's still in my nana's got it, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I love you, Abigail. Bye.
Did you hear him?
Yeah.
What'd he say?
I love you.
Oh my gosh. You want to watch it again? Not right now?
Not right now.
Okay, say hi to Ethan.
Hi, Ethan.
Do you want to say anything to him about losing your first tooth?
I was in Walmart and it felt like there was a stick in my mouth. But there wasn't. And
Stop banging the chair.
And it hurt.
And it hurt? And how did we get it out?
I ate a piece of Laffy Taffy.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to say anything else to Ethan?
Bye.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Just bye? He poured his heart and soul out to you. He said he loves you. I think Ethan has a crush on you. You think we need to go down to North Carolina?
Mm.
He might want to kiss you. Say bye. Say bye. Is this too much trouble, all these boys? Say bye to Ethan. I didn't see you.
Bye.